Understanding the role of a branch manager. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase used in the business world, branch manager. Understanding this term is crucial for English language learners, especially those interested in business and management. Let's dive into what this phrase means and its implications in a professional setting. A branch manager is a key position in the structure of many businesses and organizations. This term combines two words, branch, which refers to a local office or subdivision of a company, and manager, which is a role responsible for overseeing and guiding operations and staff. The branch manager is, therefore, the person in charge of a specific branch of a company, ensuring its smooth operation and success. The role of a branch manager is multifaceted and involves several key responsibilities. 1. Leadership. They lead the team at the branch, providing guidance and support. 2. Operations management. They oversee daily operations to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. 3. Customer service. Maintaining high standards of customer service is crucial. 4. Financial management. They are responsible for the branch's financial health, including budgeting and sales targets. 5. Team development. Developing and training the staff is another important aspect of their role. To be successful, a branch manager needs a specific set of skills. Strong leadership, ability to inspire and guide a team, communication skills, essential for interacting with both staff and customers, problem-solving abilities. They must be able to address challenges effectively. Financial acumen, understanding of budgets, sales, and financial planning. Customer focus, a commitment to delivering excellent customer service. Understanding the role of a branch manager helps in grasping the organizational structure of companies. It also highlights the importance of leadership and management in business success. For English language learners, this term is a gateway to understanding more complex business concepts and vocabulary. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of the term branch manager. Whether you're pursuing a career in business or simply expanding your English vocabulary, understanding such terms is incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.